Speak 5 tools. $500 a month. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash replacing $80,000 coordinators. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash here's how. B-roll, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash automation workflow diagram animating on screen. I spent the last 6 weeks building and breaking this exact stack. N8n orchestrates. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash Clay enriches. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash relevance AI runs agents. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash Claude API is the brain. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash I'll show you what it can't do too. B-roll, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash n8n canvas with connected workflow nodes. N8n is the backbone. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash self-hosted. Break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash free. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash Cloud Pro. Break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash $50 a month for 10,000 runs. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash 1 run equals 1 full workflow, not 1 step. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash that's the part most people get wrong. B-roll, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash enrichment table autofilling with company data. Clay is the SDR killer. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash 75 data sources, waterfall style. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash starter is $149 a month. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash but 500 leads across 10 fields burns 5,000 credits minimum. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash run those numbers before you scale. B-roll, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash split screen pricing tables side by side. N8n versus Zapier at 10,000 tasks. Break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash $50 versus $299. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash 6 times cheaper. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash make.com looks cheaper too until it counts every array item separately. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash 1 webhook, 50 items, 8 modules. Break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash 400 operations. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash not 1. B-roll, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash calculator ticking up monthly costs, full stack. Break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash n8n $50. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash Clay $349. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash relevance AI $199. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash Lindy $49. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash Claude API $30. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash under $680 a month. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash 1 coordinator costs $5,400. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash you do the math. B-roll, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash dashboard showing automated pipeline metrics. Honestly, what surprised me the most was how fast this paid for itself. We hit ROI by week 3. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash score. Break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash 8.5 out of 10. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash best for B2B teams doing 500 plus outbound weekly. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash skip Clay under $300 a month. Apollo covers it cheaper. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash skip the whole stack if your bottleneck is judgment, not volume. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash comment below. Break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash replacing a role or building alongside your team. Link in the description. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash subscribe for daily AI tool reviews /speak.